If you don't like popping pills but still want to spice things up, then stick around for some natural solutions. Alright, let's dive in. First up, let's talk food. Ever heard of the love apple? That's right, tomatoes. They're packed with lycopene, which improves circulation. Next, let's not forget about the mighty avocado. Full of healthy fats and vitamin E, it's like nature's little love potion. Now let's chat about exercise. Getting your blood pumping with regular cardio isn't just good for your heart. It's great for your love life too. If you're into yoga, try poses like the cobra and the bridge. They boost flexibility and blood flow. And here's a super simple tip. Stay hydrated. Water keeps everything flowing smoothly if you catch my drift. Finally, let's talk stress. Stress is a major buzzkill. Try deep breathing, meditation, or even just a good laugh with friends. So there you have it. Eat right, exercise, stay hydrated, and chill out. Your vitality will thank you.